Good morning everyone and welcome back. I am Ekta ma'am. Do you remember what did we learn yesterday? Yes, we learned about family. So today we will revise the topic once again. Hello friends, I am Dev. In my family, I have a father, mother and a little sister. We all live together in a home and I love my family very much. And I am Ria. In my family, I have a mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt and cousins too. So kids, you saw that Dev and Ria both have different types of families. Dev has small family and Ria has big family, right? And small family also known as nuclear family and big family also known as joint family. Now we are going to do an activity related with the same topic. For the activity, we need a paper, some colored sketch pens and crayons. Now, we are going to draw a family tree. For that, first we have to draw the trunk and branches of the tree with the brown color sketch pen like this. Okay? Now, we are going to draw the upper part of the tree like this. Make a curve, curve again, like this, and our tree is ready. Right? Now, we are going to draw some small boxes on the top of each branch with different colors like red, purple, blue, yellow and green. But the tree is always incomplete without the leaves. So, we draw some dots for the leaf effect. We are going to use light green and dark green for the dots. Now we are going to fill brown color in the trunk of the tree like this. And light green color in the upper part of the tree. Now the tree is ready. Isn't it looks nice? Right? Here I have some family members' photos and a glue. Now I am going to stick the photos in each box. Here is a photo of a boy. In the second box, the photo of his father. In the third box, the photo of his mother. In the fourth box, the photo of his grandfather. And in the last box, the photo of his grandmother. Here, I draw only 5 boxes, but you can draw less or more boxes as per your family members. And you can stick the photos of your own family members. Now the family tree is ready. I hope you like the activity, and it is very easy to do the same activity at home with the help of your parents. Now it's time for a worksheet. It is a very simple worksheet. You know what you have to do in this worksheet? You have to help the boy find his way back to his family. I hope you enjoyed the session. So, we will meet tomorrow again with the solution of the worksheet.